This week, you are going to do a virus research project for one of your assignments. So current research on viruses, while SARS-CoV-2, that's the virus that causes COVID, is getting all the news, it's only one of the many viruses that can infect humans. There are currently 219 viruses that are known to be able to infect humans. These include viruses that cause diseases like the common cold, the flu, and HIV or AIDS. 3 to 4 new species of viruses are found in humans every year. So this leads scientists to think there are a lot more undiscovered human viruses out there. So for this week, I'd like you to pick one of the 219 viruses that are known to be able to affect humans and answer the following questions. I'm going to give you a partial list of viruses in Google Classroom for you to reference if you want to pick one of those. So the first question I want you to answer is, what is the name of your virus? Second, what is the name of the disease your virus causes? 3, how does your virus spread? 4, what are the symptoms of your virus? 5, how deadly is the virus? 6, is there a treatment for the virus? Remember, this treats the symptoms of the virus after someone has already gotten sick from it. And 7, is there a vaccine for your virus? Vaccines protect you from actually getting the virus to begin with. I wanted to give you an example of what the answers to those questions should look like. So like over the past few weeks, my daughter has been complaining of not feeling well. She's been telling me she has a sore throat and she's been really tired. So she wasn't getting any better, so I called her doctor and explained her symptoms. And the doctor said, hey, it sounds like she has mono. This is caused by a virus known as the EPSTEIN-BARR virus. She said she has all the symptoms of this virus, and she recommended that I get her tested for it. So we went into the clinic and they had to draw blood and they tested her and they said, yep, she has been exposed to the monovirus, and they could tell that she was sick with it right then. So I'm going to use that as an example of how I'd like you to respond to the questions. So the first question is the name of the virus. So the name of this virus is called the Epstein-Barr virus, or EBV. It causes the disease mononucleosis, or people call it mono for short. The virus spreads through saliva. People spread it when they do things like coughing, sneezing, or sharing food or drinks. The symptoms of mono include a high fever, swollen lymph glands, fatigue, muscle weaknesses, a rash, and a sore throat. Mono is very rarely fatal, so people usually don't die from it when they catch it. There is currently not a treatment for mono, but the doctor recommended that my daughter get lots of rest, eat well, and drink lots of fluids. And there's currently no vaccine that protects people against being infected by the Epstein-Barr virus. Okay, so that's just kind of the examples of the kind of responses I'd like to see from you. You can respond to the questions on the Research a Virus worksheet in Google Classroom. Please remember, whenever you complete an assignment in Google Classroom, make sure you hit the Mark as Done button. That lets your teacher know it's ready to be graded and that you have turned it in. As a bonus for this assignment, it would be awesome if you could share what you learned about your virus and its disease and the disease it causes on Flipgrid. As always, I can't wait to hear what you guys have learned. All right, thanks, kiddos.